Okay, we're going to have a little look at statistics. Now, statistics is interpreting data. So when we look at statistics, we're going to look at the mean, the mode, the median, and the range. Now, we're going to start just by looking at the mean, and then we're going to look at them all together. Okay, so the mean, the median, the mode are all a type of average. The mean is the one that causes us the most work. It's the mean one. It makes us add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers you have. The mean is sometimes referred to as the average. If you're asked to work out the average, technically you could work out the mean, the median, or the mode. But when you're asked for the average, it usually is the mean. Okay, so calculating the mean here. First thing I want to do is add them all up. I'm going to do 10, add 7, add 15, add 11, add 9, add 12, and I'm going to divide by how many numbers I've got. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to divide by 6. Adding up always goes to the wrong side, this calculator. Right, so 10, add 7, add 15, didn't work very well, try again, add 11, add 9, add 12, which is 64. So we're going to do 64 divided by 6 to get a mean of 10.67. That's to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's try another one. Our mean, add them up. So 4.5, add 7.2. It's not going so well. Oh dear. Right, third time lucky. Fourth time lucky. 4.5, add 7.2. This is decimal point. Doesn't like it. Plus 6.3 plus 5.8 plus 6 plus 7.1 plus 4.9. That comes out as 41.8. Okay. And we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure on your calculator you have pressed equals after adding up before you divide. Otherwise, your calculator will do BODMAS and it will divide before it adds. Okay, I've lost my calculator. Give me a second. Okay, so 41.8 divided by 7 is 5.97. The other thing you can use as a quick check is your average that you've worked out, or your mean you've worked out, is meant to represent all your numbers. Okay, so my smallest number here is 4.5, so my mean can't be smaller than 4.5. You're thinking kind of what the middle number is, and it should be roughly that for your mean. I don't mean your middle number as in, oh, this one's sitting right in the middle. I mean your middle numbers as in we go between 4.5 and what's the biggest one, 7.2. So roughly 5 or 6 is about the middle for that. Okay, that gives you an idea of whether or not you've hit the right buttons on your calculator. B, finding the mean again. Start by adding them up. 105, add 215, add 185, add 204, add 106. That's them all. Is 815. Now, just looking at these numbers, I would expect my mean to be somewhere around 150 because I've got some up in the 200s, some in the early 100s. Forgot what I just counted there for dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm dividing by 5, which is 163. Okay. Let's look at them all together then. So we've looked at the mean, let's introduce the median, the mode, and the range. So the median and the mode are also averages. The median is the middle number if we have an ordered list, and the mode is the number that appears most often. M-O, mode, most often. The range isn't an average. The range is a measure of spread. So it tells you how spread out your data is. And to find the range, we do the highest number, take away the lowest number. Let's try a couple then. We want to find the mean, median, mode, and range. I'm going to start with the median. To find the median, first thing I need to do is put these into order. So my smallest number is 5, then 6, 3 sevens, 2 8s, a 9 and a 10. Okay, so your median is your middle number. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3. So my middle number is going to be right here, because that leaves me 4 numbers that side, 4 numbers that side. What you can do is you can count one in from each side. That'd be 1, count in 2, count in 3, count in 4. You're left with the one in the middle. What you do need to remember and do is make sure you put your numbers in order before you pick out your middle number. The mode is the one that appears most often. The one that appears most often here is 7. It's 3 sevens. Remember, that's not one of my numbers in my list. It's 2 8s. Everything else just appears once. My mode is 7. Mean's no different from what we were doing before. Need to add them up. Get my calculator. 5 add 6 add 7, 7 and 7 is 21. 2 8s is 16. Add 9, add 10, which is add 19. So it's 67. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divided by 9. Let's do this to one decimal place. Is 7.4. The range is the highest number take away the lowest number. Highest number is 10. Lowest number is 5. So it's 10 take away 5, which is 5. Let's try another example. So we're finding the mean, median, mode, and range again. And again, I'm going to start with the median. The reason I'm starting with the median is once I've got my numbers in order, it's a lot easier for me to work out the rest as well. Okay, so my smallest number here is 11. 11. Then got 12. Any 13s? Nope, no 13s. I've got 2 14s. Any 15s? Got 1 15. 16s. 1, 2, 3 16s. 17s. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 17s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 17s and 1 18. My median then is my middle number. Again, I can count in 1 from each side, so that'd be 1, 2, 1 from each side disappearing. So I get down to my middle number. I've got none left on either side. So my middle number is going to be right in here. And I always do a wee check. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers that side. So that is right in the middle. Now, my middle number is whatever number is in between 16 and 16. In between 16 and 16 is just 16. If it had been 1 over, and it's been in between 16 and 17, it would have been 16 and a half. Okay, remember numbers are continuous. You can always get numbers in between. The mode is the one that appears most often. The one that appears most often here is 17. So my mode would be 17. Mean, let's add them up. Do half at a time. So 11, add 12, add 14, add 14, add 15, add 16. No, I need another 16. Add 16. This side then, add 16, add 17 5 times, or you could just add 85. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 18. 217 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, we'll do this to one decimal place. 15.5. So my mean here is 15.5. Last one then, the range. Range is the highest number, take away the lowest number. Highest number is 18, lowest number is 11. 18 take away 11 is 7.